Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and this is the Bosu Balance Trainer. I play a lot of sports and I just wanted to take it to the next level. I really wanted to improve in my balance. And this balance trainer by Bosu does the trick. What I really like about it is that it's so versatile. You can really do so many different exercises. You can do squats, you can do lunges, push-ups. Basically, if you just do any body weight exercise, this one takes it to the next level. And I noticed right away results in my core strength, in my stability, in my balance within just 3-4 days of doing some different exercises. So if you're looking to work out your core at home, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.